Hello, my name is Klueken and I'm responsible for the global field development of Movento, Bayer's new two-way systemic product for the control of sucking pests in vegetables and fruits. I apologize that I'm unable to be with you today, but I am delighted to have the opportunity to present to you the value of Movento against sucking pests in fruits and vegetables. Many sucking pests attack our fruits and vegetables and can substantially reduce yield and quality of the produce. What is even more problematic, sucking pests can hide under the leaves in covered places and so are difficult to reach for conventional insecticides.
It was not possible to penetrate all parts of the plants with these agents and thus protect the plant completely. Applying the agents from above results in only the tops of the plants being protected against the pests. Crevices, the undersides of the leaves, roots, and young sprouts remain unprotected with this method. The crop protection agent can be washed away completely with a single rain shower, and the plant is then at the mercy of the pests.
Based on these facts, together with research colleagues, we have tried to find better solutions that use the transport system inside the plant to distribute the insecticide. Already in the 1990s, Bayer researchers were the first to discover a new class of systemic insecticide, the chloronicotinyls like imidacloprid.
So far, when we talk about systemicity of insecticides, we mean the uptake, transport, and distribution of the active ingredient by the plant itself. For example, from treated to untreated parts of the leaf. But up to now, this transport has only been possible in one direction and inside the leaf, from the bottom of the leaf to the top, because the xylem is responsible for that direction of transport in the leaf. The roots take up water and nutrients, which are translocated to the leaves. This transport is driven by the transpiration of water through the stomata. So a continuous flow takes place from below to the top. A systemic transport from underside to upper side has only been possible so far in that direction. Besides the xylem, there is another system of transport in the plant, the phloem. The energy, which is converted in the leaves during photosynthesis, is transported as sucrose through this system towards the energy sinks of the plant, towards the young shoots, leaves, buds, and fruits, and towards the developing roots. So we have a transport system that works in two directions, upwards from leaf to leaf, and downwards from the leaf to the roots. And Movento uses that system as top of its class. That is unique in the insecticide world.
Many traditional insecticides act via contact and growers target the pest directly. However, Movento is different. The ingredient spirotetramat is not toxic to insects and so does not show any contact activity. Only when Movento is applied to leaves does the inactive spirotetramat gets converted to the active form, the spirotetramat enol. This transformation and thereafter its transportation through the phloem makes Movento very different from other products, including CNIs. It is a revolution in modern insect control because Movento protects the plants against sucking pests from the inside.
To prove the phloem transport from leaf to leaf, we have prepared young cabbage plants before the treatment with Movento in such a way that only one mature leaf, the oldest one, can take up the active ingredient. After treatment, the plants get infested with aphids. And the results are quite clear. Untreated plants are the victims of aphids, Meanwhile, the Movento plants grow strongly. Not only the single treated leaf, but also all other leaves are pest-free. If you carry out the same trial with infested plants, in other words, not a protective but a curative scenario, the results are the same. The untreated plants become the victims of the pest. And the treated plants? The transport from leaf to leaf works. Even the aphids on the untreated upper leaves get controlled.
In conclusion, we are very proud to have made 2 big steps forward to a new generation of insecticides. Movento becomes toxic to sucking pests only after take-up into the plant, and it is the only modern insecticide that uses the phloem for translocation from major leaves, both down to the roots and up to the top of the plant. This opens new horizons to pest management because natural enemies are left unharmed and can help to fight against sucking pests. I'm sure the growers in your country will love the special features of this fantastic product. I wish you all a lot of success with Movento.